My humble obeisance to everyone. This is me, Kumari Vishnu Priya, and today my topic of presentation is Reform Initiatives in the Budgeting System in India that has been written by Pratap Ranjan Jain. Coming to the introduction part, what is the purpose of budgeting? The very purpose of budgeting is to ensure fiscal discipline, efficient resource allocation, and improve service delivery. And the problem that has been identified in the budgeting is that past reforms failed to transform core budgetary institutions to meet this goal. The key focus areas are performance orientation in budgeting, multi year expenditure planning, rule based budget management, and the challenge is there is a lack of integration and continuity in the reform limits their effectiveness. What are the objectives of budgeting reforms? The objective is to ensure fiscal discipline, to enhance allocative and technical efficiency, to improve public service delivery, to align budgeting with strategic priorities and outcomes, and to create a performance oriented, rule based framework. So, coming to the topic performance oriented budgeting, it was introduced in the year 1968 as a performance budgeting and later it revised as an outcome budget in 2005. The objective is to link financial outlays to physical and measurable result. The problem is that performance budget become routine with little impact on decision. Outcome budgets blur the distinction between output, that is service delivered, and the outcome, that is impact achieved. They are poorly defined and inconsistent performance indicator. There is a lack of clarity in unit cost estimation and linkage to budgeting. The centrally sponsored schemes become very difficult to track expenditures and outcomes due to multiple administrative layers. And there is also a problem that is weak accountability and data gap. RFT and PMES, that is a result framework document and performance monitoring and evaluation system, has separated from outcome budget, leading to duplication and inconsistency. What are the suggested improvements? Integrate RFD and outcome budget. Use credible performance and cost data. Strengthen institutional support. Example expert body to help with indicators. Learn from other countries with performance informed budgets. Multi year expenditure planning. What is the definition of medium term or multi year expenditure planning? It means that planning expenditure beyond 1 year using framework like medium term expenditure framework and medium term budget framework. It is used in many countries to improve the fiscal disciplines and resource allocation. In Indian case, 5 year plans previously served this purpose but not effectively linked to the budgets. Annual budgets often ignore long-term project cost. FRBA Act, Fiscal Reform Budget Management Act, introduced in 2003, introduced medium term fiscal policy, that is MTPF, projecting key fiscal indicators for 3 years. However, MTPF was more macroeconomic than expenditure focused. 13th Finance Commission suggests state making MTPF a statement of commitment, not just intent. Need after Planning Commission evolution is to integrate planning with budgeting under unified system. Remove plan versus non-plan distinction. What are the recommendation? Adopt MTBF with clear ceilings and strategic priorities. Spending department must align plans with fiscal constraint. Rule-based budget management. Its objective is to control deficit biases, stabilize debt, and ensure long-term sustainability. India's FMB Act 2003 targeted 3% fiscal deficit by the year 2008 to 9 and elimination of revenue deficit. Success between the year 2005 2008, strong revenue performance, especially income and corporate tax, fiscal deficit reduced due to economic growth, challenges post 2008 due to global financial crisis leading to stimulating spending, increased deficit, revenue drop, spending surge, example like subsidies, pay revisions, etc. Fiscal performance is a growth dependent. Rule were breached during economic downturn, revealing structural weakness. Amendments to FRBA Act of 2012 to 13, it extended timelines, added projection for 3 years, assigned monitoring to Comptroller and Auditor General. The shortcomings was lacks cyclical adjustment, weak enforcement, and unclear escape clauses. Its recommendations were to introduce flexible next generation fiscal rules, establish independent fiscal council, link fiscal rules to MTBA for better control. So, coming to the political will and coordination, its key point that need to be undertaken, that need to be understand, is technical reforms need political support to be effective. The major issue in India is a lack of political debate or the stakeholder consultation on reform like Outcome Budget or FRBM Act. Performance information is often overlooked in legislative discussion. Center state coordination is the other issue. Like critical estate account for over 50% of public spending. Central schemes implemented by the state need better alignment. So, what are the lessons from tax reform? Political consensus, as in VAT and GST, can also drive budgetary reforms. So, coming to the conclusion, reforms in budgeting should be interconnected, not isolated efforts. It need to be strengthened performance measurement and cost data. We need to integrate the outcome budget with performance evaluation system. We need to adopt MTBF and reform fiscal rules to respond to economic shocks. Thank you so much.